Good morning, adventure seekers. Day 3, I overslept. I woke up to the sunlight, which is unusual when I'm camping, but day 2 played out as usual. First night of camping, you don't sleep worth a crap. Second night of camping, you sleep straight through without a hitch. So I got like 9.5 hours of sleep last night. But yeah, we still got plenty of time today. I'm going to Seneca Rocks, Dolly Sods, and then head back home today. I'm gonna take my time because I have tomorrow off work also, so no big hurry. If something happens and I feel like pitching camp somewhere, I just might. All depends on what the weather's gonna do. We're supposed to be getting some thunderstorms throughout the day, and then tomorrow is really heavy thunderstorms all day, so I didn't want to ride home in that. And I don't have to, so, you know, make plans, change plans. That's the motto of the adventure seeker. So we are going to head on some gravel roads that I haven't seen yet, and then we'll see you at Seneca Rocks. Peace.
Just cruising through the dense forest in Monongahela. About 20 after 7 a.m. Day after Father's Day 2023. Cruising to the Big Springs Loop. Not sure how much of that you'll be able to see on the video, but yeah, it's just like old school. Beautiful contrast. Got our high wall rock cut out on the left, the river on the right. Nice little water gathering area. Well, I can't get down there and really give you a good look. Nice little waterfall. Well, so far my guessing of which way to go has been spectacular. Very neat mountainous roads, no trucks allowed, corners everywhere. One thing I saw this trip that I've never really seen before is all the people practicing for bear hunting season coming up in December. I mean, they're just everywhere with their hound dogs. They'll be set up in little stations. Once you see one of them, you'll go another quarter mile, there'll be another one, and then another one. I don't know how you go about training your dogs for bear hunting, but they must be like trying to send them in a certain direction. It's pretty neat. I didn't even know you were allowed to hunt bear. I thought they were protected, but evidently there's enough of them in West Virginia now that they hunt them. Only in West Virginia. Dude's on a run. It's going to be a good day. We made it to the Seneca Rocks. The weather is cooperating. Still a little overcast, but check that out. Say they do a lot of rock climbing on it, but no thanks.
Seneca Rocks is one of the best known landmarks in West Virginia. The Tuscarora Sandstone Formation stands nearly 900 feet and is the only formation of its kind in the eastern United States, which is why it is known as a rock climber's paradise. Out on the 1.3-mile hiking trail, you gain 700 feet in elevation to an observation platform near the top of Seneca Rocks. Keep your eyes peeled for bald eagles and other birds of prey. Beautiful, beautiful place. See you soon.
We just entered the Dolly Sods Wilderness Area. We're climbing the mountain. So this is what I was hoping went across. Maybe it does. Yeah, this is going to save some time and be a cool road. Forest Service Road 19.
The Dolly Sods Wilderness Area covers over 17,000 acres. In 1943, this area was used for mountain military training for World War II. It is believed that many live mortars still exist in the area, so follow all the guidelines. "47 miles of hiking trails, miles of backcountry roads, and 17,000 acres of dispersed camping. Dolly Sods has much to offer for the outdoor enthusiast."
All right, so we're wrapped up here at the Dolly Sods Wilderness Area, and it's time for me to make my way back.
This has just been a wonderful trip. Father's Day weekend, thinking about you, Dad. And I hope we will see you again on the next go around. Until then, get out there and find yourself your kind of adventure, whatever it is. Enjoy it while you can before you can't.